Hey everyone, how's it going? So, a lot of people are really excited about this new Kong versus Godzilla movie that will be coming out soon. And a lot of people are going crazy trying to figure out what Titans are going to be in there, who's going to be good, who's going to be bad, and just what the whole premise of the movie is. So, in today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of the Titans that they are talking about that will make an appearance, and that is called Warbat. So to start off with Warbat, we're going to start right up here, and we're going to draw the face. So I'm going to begin with the eyes, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down like this. And I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and come up for the eye. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to go in and down. I'm going to go up like this for the eyes. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve down like this, and then kind of up, almost like a beak form. Then I'm going to draw this line out and in. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes out, and it's going to kind of curve up to here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and then down. Then I'll make another one that goes up and over. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go over, and then it's just going to kind of curve around here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come over to here. Make a little line that goes up and down. Go over, go up and down again. And I'm going to go down and up again. And then I'm going to go over and then curve up to here for the jaw. Then starting here, I'm going to add a couple fangs on top. This is kind of like a snake creature. And then a little line is going to curve into here. Then I'm just going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve it around just a few times. And then I'm going to bring it out really wide. I'm going to come down here towards the bottom of my paper, and then I'm going to curve it up. Then I'm going to curve this up to here. And then I'm going to bring it back down. I'm going to slowly get a little bit wider as I come back. And then I'm going to just draw a line that's going to curve to here. Next, we're just going to kind of follow this pattern again. We're just going to go up to here. We're just going to come around and then bring it right to about there. Now we want to add these wings on here. This Warbat looks like he kind of has like some wing shapes onto here. So we're going to start right up here towards the top of the face. And I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out to here. I'm going to keep it really skinny, and I'm going to bring it back to here. I'm going to make another one that's going to come out, and that's going to come back here. I'm going to kind of bring these in a little bit as I go down, so I'm going to put another one here. Then this next one is going to go out just a little bit farther. It's going to do the same thing, be really skinny as it comes back. And then these next ones are going to get a little bit smaller. So I just did 5 total over here, and then we'll do the same thing here. So I'm just going to start right here. I'm going to make a line. It's going to kind of curve up, and it's going to come down. We're going to keep it real skinny and bring it right back to here. Then we're just going to kind of repeat this. I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of Get them a little bit smaller as they go down. Then this next one, I'm going to bring it out a little bit farther. And then I'm going to bring this one in a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to add some little curved lines to connect each one of these. And then there's going to be just like a big curve right to here. Then same thing on this side. We're going to curve in to connect them. And a big curve right here. And then these wings are also going to kind of go down here too. It's kind of hard to tell if these are like wings or spikes or what. So we're just going to add a few more kind of going down the side here. And they're only going to go to right about here. We'll make it a little smaller. And we'll do the same thing down here. We'll try to do like even numbers on each side. And we're going to kind of connect these here. Do the same thing on both sides, just a little curved line in there. And then I'm just going to add a little line that's going to kind of connect up to here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a long line that's just going to kind of go around the same shape here. And that's just going to kind of pop up to here. And then I'm not really sure what this looks like, but I'm going to just add some little curved lines right along here for some details on the body. We're going to add a little line that's just going to come right to here and to there. Now this is our basic shape, and I just want to come in here and add some different details and different things. So I'm going to add two little curved lines right here for the nose. I'm going to add two lines right above here for kind of like an eyebrow ridge. We're going to add a couple of lines inside by the eyes. I'm going to draw a little line here just to kind of shape out the head. I'm going to add just a couple little like long broken lines in some different spots here just for some detail. And a little line or two by the eyes. A little broken line or two right around here. I'm going to add some little lines there for the teeth. Going to add a couple little wrinkle lines right there just to kind of show where everything's kind of twisting and moving. A couple down here. I'm going to add some just kind of long lines here just for different details. Just on here, just kind of make it look like the skin is kind of thin. It'd be like stretched out. I'm going to give it just kind of like a snake pupil inside each one. And there you go. Here is your drawing of Warbat. You know, like I said, we're not too sure exactly what it looks like. You know, it's just kind of my version going off some different pictures and whatnot. But here you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.